Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy AC Legend, and finally I'm not out walking about in the neighborhood. I'm actually in Las Vegas for a business conference, the RPX conference. Definitely excited for it. Yo, so if you're here, you're probably here to learn about entrepreneurship, business funding, personal funding, and all credit needs. And if you're here for that, you're in the right place. So today I want to talk about the easiest way to get accepted or to get a membership into Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, I know I talked about Navy Federal Credit Union in a previous video, right? And some of their products that they're offering that I believe personally makes them one of the best credit unions and or banks to be a part of and to be able to go to be able to get funding as a startup business or for someone who's just starting their credit journey. So I want to tell you guys off bat, this isn't advice. I'm just sharing this information for informational purposes only, right? Some things that I discuss here may not align with some of you guys' values, and that is totally fine. I am not suggesting that you lie. I am just telling you that I know that this is happening within Navy Federal Credit Union. So the easiest way to get into Navy Federal Credit Union, first off, is if you are a part of the military or you have someone in your intermediate family that is a part of the military service. It doesn't matter which branch you're a part of. You just must be a part of the military or have a parent, brother, sister, even an aunt and uncle may be able to get you in and is acceptable to be able to get you in to Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, you can also know a member and live with a member, and they can get you into Navy Federal Credit Union as well. Or, right, you can find someone as a part of it who doesn't mind sharing their access number, right? So since it's a membership credit union, they allow their members to be able to vouch for other members. So therefore, I'm a member. I could give you my access number. You say, hey, AC Legend told me about Navy Federal Credit Union. I want to sign up. Here's his access number to get me signed up and started, right? Those are all the easiest ways. Now, say you don't have no affiliation with the military. You're not in the military or was never in the military, your family was never in the military, nor do you know anyone who is a part of, or do you not know anyone who is a part of Navy Federal Credit Union. Here's what you can do. You can call in right now. All you have to do is Google the number to Navy Federal Credit Union. In fact, I'm going to pull it up for you right now. Give me a second. Navy Federal phone number. And I'm just on Google. You can literally Google them. And you can call this number right here. 1-888-842-6328. That's 1-888-842-6328. You can call that number, all right? You're gonna get a hold of someone that is going to assist with either members or future members. What you can do is when you get that rep on the phone, you tell them, hey, my grandfather was in the military. Unfortunately, he passed away, and I don't have any means or ways of getting any of the documentation to be able to prove that he was in the military. What's going to happen is, more than likely, that rep that's on that phone is going to push you through. They're going to say, okay, sorry for your loss. And they're going to walk you through the next steps to becoming a member of Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, I have heard two things about this way. And like I said, by no means am I telling you to go out and do this. I'm just letting you know that this is happening, right? So here's the thing. When you do this, two things can happen. One, the person may not honor the fact that you had a grandfather or a grandparent who was in the military and passed away. They may not honor at all. If that's the case, you can go ahead, hang up the phone, call back to another rep, and more than likely they will. Or two, this rep will kind of put a hold on your account. And I say a hold on establishing your account, not an actual hold on any of your funds or money, but it could take a little while for them to process to be able to get your account actually established. I've heard it take up to 2 weeks. But typically what happens is it goes right through. Like I said, there may be an instance where one of the reps could give you an issue. And if that's the case, you just hang up, redial that number, talk to a different rep, give them the same story. And eventually you'll get right into Navy Federal Credit Union to be able to capitalize on the benefits. Like I said, it's your boy AC Legend. I'm not telling you to go and do this. I'm just giving this information out there because I know what's going on and I want everyone to be informed just as I am. The whole purpose of this channel is to be able to inform people like you who's watching this right now the same things I know so that we can leverage them, so that we can understand it, and then we can maneuver the way that we need to once we know all of the knowledge that's out there in this field. So it's your boy AC Legend. Make sure you guys go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, please. Leave me a comment. If you're already a member, leave me a comment. I'm a member, I love Navy Fed, or I'm a member, I hate Navy Fed. The best way for this channel to grow, right? And the best way that I can keep giving you guys value and content is for you guys to engage with me on this channel. I need you guys, right? Just like you guys are coming here to watch me give you information, I need you to do your part and just go ahead and subscribe, leave comments, talk to me. I comment back on every single comment that's coming. I comment back to all of them, and it's really me. There's no one else behind this. So listen, if you enjoyed this video, just go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, and check out my last video about Navy Federal and some of their products if you're on the fence about getting into Navy Federal, because I think everybody needs to be a member. They're giving out that bag. It's your boy AC. Until next time, peace.